Hey guys, I'm back, and in today's episode, I will be teaching you how to science. So, the first experiment that we're going to do is you want some rubbing alcohol. And rubbing alcohol is pretty interesting because you can spray it on yourself, and it burns really fast. So, if you spray it on your hand, then it'll burn fast and you won't get burned. So, that's what I'm going to do first. Here it goes. Okay. Okay, here we go. And as you can see, my hand is perfectly fine. Now, some people say that the most important rule of science is consistency or something really dumb like that. But what I say is, most important rule of science, you gotta mix some stuff that you find together. So today I will be mixing some cornstarch that I have here. Some rubbing alcohol, obviously. Tape. Copper sulfate. And water putty. So the most important thing that you obviously need is your measuring cup, because that's what you're going to pour everything in haphazardly. So first, you need to put some cornstarch in. Okay. Second, copper sulfate. Just a tiny bit. It looks like sprinkles. Then some water putty. Never mind, can't get that open. You don't need that. And just a spray or two. Okay. And lastly, tape. Okay, so now we're just going to put that in the microwave. And remember, when you're doing this, safety first. Gonna want to cook that for about 376 seconds. And that's how cameras are made. So as you all know, scientists know everything, and I'm a scientist. So today I'm going to clear up some important misconceptions that you guys, and it's just stuff that you guys have been doing completely wrong your entire lives. Okay, number one, baseball is not actually a sport. In order to qualify as a sport, it has to be made in Europe. So because baseball was invented in the United States, it's not a sport. Number two, unlike most people think, you are not supposed to scratch a scratch off using a penny. It actually alters the outcome of what you do because it's made out of copper, and everyone knows copper is bad luck. You should use a nickel. Number three, don't read this magazine. Everything it says is a lie. Number four, deodorant actually makes you smell worse because it has neurotoxins in it. Number five, the existence of the number 5 itself has yet to be proven. Aristotle proposed that it may exist back in ancient Greek times, but no one has proven it yet. So every time that you use the number 5, you shouldn't be doing that. That's wrong. And last but not least, number 8. A ton of feathers is actually lighter than a ton of lead. I mean, just think about it. It's pretty obvious. Last but not least, to be a scientist, you gotta know how to dance. So break it down and do the scientist shuffle. Okay guys, that's all for this episode. See you next time.